subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Chinese electronics giant TCL has launched its new affordable 5G phone in the European market called TCL 20R. Talking about the specifications, the TCL 20R features a 6.52-inch HD Plus display with up to 90Hz refresh rate and 180Hz touch sampling rate. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset, paired with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of onboard storage that can be further expandable via microSD card slot. As per the camera, the TCL 20R supports a vertically aligned triple camera setup at the top left corner that includes a 13MP main camera along with the 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor. For selfies, it has a water drop notch at the top center, but it is unspecified at the moment. The handset runs on Android 11 out of the box, and the company claims to provide one major feature upgrade and 3 years of quarterly security updates. The device packs with a large 4500 mAh battery with 10W charging support via Type-C charging port. Additionally, the smartphone also features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The TCL 20R has been priced in the Netherlands at €179 and it is said to be available for purchase in the country starting from October this year, and it will be seen in black and blue color options. So what do you guys think of this TCL 20R smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.